Picture this: a world where business cards never get lost, never get torn, and always stay up to date. Welcome to the future of networking, where traditional paper cards are replaced by digital business cards. Imagine no more rummaging through stacks of cards to find a contact. No more outdated information. The digital business card revolutionizes the way we network, making it simpler, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. So, what exactly is a digital business card? It's a virtual form of the traditional business card, but with endless possibilities. It's an electronic way to share contact details, websites, social media platforms, and much more, all in one place. Let's delve into the key features of a digital business card. First, it's customizable. You can change the background to suit your brand or mood. Maybe your logo is earthy, and you want a background that complements it. No problem. With a digital business card, your creativity is your only limit. Second, it's interactive. You can include a video about your company, a brief introduction, or a product demonstration. It's not just a card, it's a multimedia experience. Third, it's always accessible. Your digital business card is always on your phone or computer, ready to be shared. It's not something that can be misplaced or damaged. It's always in perfect condition, ready to make a perfect first impression. Fourth, it's updatable. Change jobs, new phone number. With a digital business card, you can update your details in real time. No need to print new cards. Just update, save, and you're good to go. Fifth, it's environmentally friendly. No trees are cut down to make digital business cards. It's networking with a conscience. And last but not least, it's cost-effective. No more reordering cards. Your digital business card is a one-time investment that keeps on giving. In conclusion, the digital business card is a powerful tool for the modern business owner. It's customizable, interactive, always accessible, updatable, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective. It's not just a card, it's a revolution in networking. So, join the revolution. Embrace the digital business card and take your networking to the next level. Remember, in this digital age, staying ahead means staying updated. And in the world of business, a digital business card is your ticket to staying ahead. So say goodbye to traditional business cards and hello to the future of networking.